the most powerful and destructive accumulations of energy on Earth. Nothing else even comes close. These fearsome tropical storms, churning the oceans and shredding the nerves of residents and visitors to coastal zones, pack damaging winds, resulting in severe and costly devastation of property. South Carolina's vulnerable coastline of nearly 200 miles can suffer from severe weather systems making landfall even in other coastal states. Many of South Carolina's most important economic centers, including ports, tourism, and entertainment destinations, are along the coast, and especially susceptible to destructive storms. Storm force winds often move far inland, spawning tornadoes and other damaging storms. A direct hit from a major storm could cripple the state's economy. South Carolina's coastal counties are home to nearly 1 million residents, a quarter of the state's total population, with coastal property valued at an estimated $150 billion. 4 coastal counties are among the state's 10 fastest growing, and for this rapidly expanding population, many inexperienced with the effects of major coastal storms. It's not a question of if, but when a hurricane and its devastating winds will bring unimaginable damage. For coastal residents, in fact all citizens of our state, the potential costs and long-term negative impact of hurricane-force damage have dangerously positioned South Carolina against the wind. And the clock is ticking. The South Carolina Department of Insurance has implemented an effective and efficient program designed to address and minimize hurricane wind damage in coastal areas. The SC Safe Home Grant Program was established by the state legislature's 2007 Omnibus Coastal Property Insurance Reform Act in response to rising insurance premium costs and the diminishing availability of insurance for coastal properties. The Coastal Act provides for catastrophe savings accounts, insurance rate and premium discounts, and tax incentives to homeowners for retrofitting their property to withstand and resist wind damage. The Act also entitles SC Safe Home to apply for FEMA grants. The program enables homeowners to prepare today for the certainty of a major storm by anticipating the effects of nature and protecting property rather than rebuilding after catastrophic loss. To date, SC Safe Home has awarded more than 750 grants, totaling $4 million to qualifying homeowners through matching and non-matching grants of up to $5,000 each. Low-income applicants meeting the eligibility requirements can be awarded grant funds of up to $5,000 and are not required to provide a matching amount to receive the grant. SC Safe Home helps individual homeowners help themselves by matching, dollar for dollar, the costs of making their property more resistant to hurricane and wind damage. A comparatively small financial investment that will, in time, represent a savings of billions of dollars in insurance claims and property repair. Applicants are eligible for grant consideration following a thorough wind resistance inspection of their owner-occupied single-family home. Among the positive results of preparation through SC Safe Home are a stronger, more resilient coastal infrastructure with buildings designed to survive, less demand for federal support after the storm, a successful model for other states to follow, and far-reaching economic benefits for the entire region, including the creation of jobs in the construction and home improvement industries. The objective of SC Safe Home is mitigation, taking action to reduce or eliminate risks to property from hurricanes and severe storms, greatly minimizing the costs of disaster response and recovery. Mitigation includes structural retrofitting, relatively low-cost measures that property owners can take to protect themselves and their property to substantially reduce their risk of becoming disaster victims. These cost-effective wind protection measures include retrofitting an existing roof with stronger roof deck attachment, secondary water barriers, hurricane-resistant, wind-rated covering materials, installing metal tie-down straps and gable end braces, reinforcing trusses, studs, and other structural components by installing hurricane clips, straps, and plates, improving opening protection, such as installing storm shutters to protect and secure windows, and upgrading exterior doors, installing support braces or hurricane-rated garage doors, repair or replacement of manufactured home piers, anchors, and tie-down straps, and numerous mitigation techniques as approved by the Advisory Committee appointed to advise and assist in administering the SC Safe Home program. Though no structure can be completely hurricane-proof, mitigation through SC Safe Home grants can help homeowners increase the likelihood that their home will survive the storm. The result is fewer and lower insurance claims, reducing insurance costs for all homeowners statewide. We have learned over time that responsible drivers who choose to wear a seatbelt while driving are significantly more protected in an automobile crash. Similarly, homeowners are now realizing the benefits of protecting or mitigating their homes against natural disasters. By protecting South Carolina's residents through careful storm preparation and mitigation today, we all benefit in the long run. And every dollar spent on mitigation today equals as much as $4 in potential savings. With the threat of increasingly powerful and costly storms and diminished insurance coverage, the choice is to act now or react when it's too late. SC Safe Home is committed to strengthening our state and empowering our residents to push back against the wind.
The South Carolina Department of Insurance is dedicated to enhancing the preparedness of our coastal residents by helping them strengthen their homes. Through the South Carolina Safe Home Grant Program, homeowners are making their property less vulnerable to severe storms. Our goal is to improve the safety and well-being of our citizens and their property. Funding through public and private sources is critical, and every dollar we spend now is an investment in the future. We can't afford to wait. In recent years, coastal insurance premiums have climbed dramatically. The rising cost of reinsurance and a concern among insurers regarding their risk have aggravated the issue of coastal coverage. But through the Coastal Insurance Reform Act and aggressive attention to coastal insurance issues, we have attracted new companies to write coverage in our state. We are taking critical steps in maintaining a healthy insurance market, increasing competition, and lowering insurance premiums. By retrofitting their homes, residents are less exposed to damage. The result is fewer and lower insurance claims and a healthier stock of homes. Working together, we can reduce the risk of loss and increase the availability and affordability of property insurance for everyone.
For more information, please contact the South Carolina Department of Insurance SC Safe Home staff at 803-737-6227 or email scsafehome@doi.sc.gov.